Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are celebrating the International Day of Mathematics and Pi Day. You may already know of Pi Day, which occurs each year on March 14th for its clear connection to the beginning of the irrational number known as pi. However, you may not know that on the same day each year is the International Day of Mathematics. The International Day of Mathematics project is led by the International Mathematical Union, with support of numerous international and regional organizations from all over the world. It was first proclaimed by UNESCO on the 40th session of the General Conference on November 26, 2019. The first celebration was held on March 14, 2020. The theme for 2024 is titled Playing with Math. This theme celebrates mathematical games, puzzles, and other entertaining activities, but also playing with mathematics itself, exploring, experimenting, and discovering. To mark the occasion, I thought to show one of my favorite mathematical logic puzzles. This puzzle first appeared in a Scientific American article authored by none other than Martin Gardner, one of the most famous columnists for popular mathematical literature. The puzzle is called Truthers, Liars, and Randomizers. The puzzle starts out with three people standing before you. Each responds differently to questions. One always answers questions truthfully. One always responds with lies. And the last one randomizes their answers, sometimes lying and sometimes not. You cannot know which person does which, but the people themselves do. How can you identify all three people by asking three questions? Each question may be directed toward any person you choose, and each must be a question that is answered by yes or no. This problem may be harder than you think. Pause the video now to solve it yourself. So, how do we go about solving this puzzle? Well, to begin, we will label each of the three people A, B, and C, respectively. And we will let the value of T stand for truth teller, the value of L to stand for liar, and R for randomizer. If we were to plot these on a chart, we will see that there are only 6 possible permutations of T, L, and R. Next, we can ask A the question, is B more likely to tell the truth than C? If that person answers yes, then lines 1 and 4 are eliminated on our table. And we would know that C is not the randomizer. If that person answers no, then lines 2 and 3 on our chart are eliminated, and we know that B is not the randomizer. In either case, we can turn to the person who is not the randomizer and ask any question for which you both know the answer. For example, the question, "Are you the randomizer?" That person's answer will establish whether they are the truth teller or the liar. Knowing this, you can ask them if a certain one of their companions is the randomizer. Their answer will establish the identities of the other two people, and thus solving the problem. This is one of my favorite puzzles because I think it encapsulates a feature of mathematics that many do not know about. Mathematics is not only about solving problems, but it is about asking questions. In this way, curiosity, creativity, and truth can lead the way, so to speak. To end this video, I would like to bring up a quote which I think has a strong connection to the previous puzzle. The quote in mind is from the the well-known mathematician and creator of set theory, Georg Cantor. In his 1867 doctoral thesis, Cantor wrote the following in Latin, which translates to in English as, "In mathematics, the art of asking questions is more valuable than solving problems."